Hi friends, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to speak about public speaking. It's a very vast subject, public speaking. There are many techniques we have to use to speak in a public or a group. So it is very difficult to speak in front of public. We can able to speak casually, we can able to speak with a small group of people. We can able to speak with our friends, but once come to a public, it is very difficult to speak any kind of language, whether it could be local language, whether it could be international language. So today I'm going to speak how to improve our public speaking skills. So there are a lot many things are there to improve our public speaking. Some of the few tips I'm going to explain to this video. First and foremost point is practice. At least minimum 10 minutes or 5 minutes of a day, we have to speak in front of camera, we have to or else we have to speak in front of friends or in front of our employees. We have to speak at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes each a day, so that you can able to improve your communication skills, you can able to improve your vocabulary and grammar, you can able to improve public speaking. So it is very interesting subject. Everybody has a craze to speak in front of public, but once we go speak at public, we'll get nervous. Even I too get nervous. I don't know, many of the times I was not I'm not able to get opportunity to speak in front of the public sometimes. Sometimes we may not get the opportunity. Sometimes we are not interested to speak in front of public. So if you would like to improve public speaking skills, we have to take it forward as a small steps. Small steps leads to a very good speaking skills. Just take my example. Initially, I was very nervous to speak in front of camera. Now I can able to speak 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. I don't have any problem now. In front of camera. I didn't practical about in front of public. Definitely we'll get opportunity to speak in front of public also. We have to create the opportunity, or else we can get opportunity in our professional life. So practice is one method. Every day at least you should have a practice at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes each day without fail. And second method is interest, self interest. If we have self interest to speak in public speaking, we can able to improve our communications within us. So there are plenty of videos are available in the YouTube, or plenty of materials available in the Google. You can able to search it and you can able to watch the video how to improve our public speaking skills. But as per my knowledge, practice is must and essential to improve our public speaking skills. So my advice is to, whenever you get the opportunity to speak in front of public, whether it could be a small, whether it could be a large, we have to go and speak. Sometimes many people may laugh at you. Doesn't matter. Whether it is right or wrong, that doesn't matter. You should not think about the negative things. We have to think always positive way. We have to go and speak. Sometimes you may wrong, sometimes you may fault while speaking, sometimes you may nervous, to speak. One time or two times you'll get nervous, and third time, fourth time, definitely, obviously, you can able to speak in front of the public. So when I was doing my master degrees, I was able to get opportunity. I was able to speak in front of public without any hesitation or fear. So there are so many trainings we have been conducted from our end in profession. So that is not much essential, but we have to improve in a drastic manner so that we can have a very good reputed in the society. Anybody can able to identify is a good speaker or is a good motivational speaker like that. So we have to improve in a manner in this manner by practice method and self-interest, and we can able to watch others how they are doing, how they are speaking, what is vocabulary and grammar they are able to speak, and what are the skills we required like eye contact, content, what to speak, what not to speak, like that. So you have to study about that. If we keep on practice every day, we can get opportunities to speak. Like we can take initiate in workplace. We can conduct training programs to the employees. So voluntary, we have to go and get the permission from the management to we are going to conduct like this type of training programs. This will be going to help employees. So we have to take initiate like that. If we speak in front of public and in front of employees or in front of friends or in front of colleagues, so that we can able to improve communication as well as public speaking skills. So whenever we get opportunity, we have to utilize it by practice, and whenever we get opportunity to speak, we have to speak. Then only public speaking skills will be improved. So everything is a self-own interest. If you have dedicated to speak, if we have interested, if we have passion to speak, definitely we can able to speak in front of public, in front of any of them in the world. So please be practice every day at least 5 to 10 minutes, can able to improve your public speaking as well as communication skills. So my final advice is to please keep on practice. By a perfect practice makes a man perfect. Excellence is not an accident. Excellence is a bundle of trial and errors. Thank you.